So today we're talking about man buns. I know people are like, really, man buns, they still exist? Well, yeah, but what I want to do is talk about a few different ways you can style them and create a ponytail or a man bun, because there's a lot of times where you see kind of like the traditional man bun where it's just like a ponytail, okay? But I'm going to show a couple of different ways you can style your hair if you want to pull it back in kind of a man bun. So there's kind of like, I guess, the half up, half down, where we're going to take a section of hair, and you saw I just used my pinky to section it off, and to keep this looking as natural as possible, I suggest just using your fingers like this to rake through the hair, okay? We're going to rake through the hair like this. So you can either use a ponytail, like a ponytail, rubber ponytail like this. All right, there we go, there it is. One of these. Or, this is going to be very, very hard to see, they're elastics, right? They're literally invisible, clear elastics, and they're really, really hard to see, but it's great because they're tight, they're compact, they're easy to use, and it gets a really good grip because it's really not that wide. So that one, you can take the hair like this into the ponytail. Then you can also take a piece right down through here like this, and we're going to take the hair, we're going to loop it one time. Just be careful not to stretch the rubber band too much. We're going to take another loop, and we're going to pull the hair through this loop halfway like so, and then there we go. So the thing about this is why I did that, took a little more from the bottom, is because, again, it's like a triangle, but it's just a little bit of a lower type of knot like this, okay? It's something a little more unique, a little more kind of modern, and then you can take the hair like this and fan it out if you want to create some, more kind of edge. And then you can just pull the hair if you want to cover up any sort of partings that you see, and there you go. There's one option like that. All right, let me take this out here. Okay, there it is. Another option is the more traditional where, run your fingers through your hair. You want to make sure that you're using my anti-static vent brush, which helps get the knots out, right? If you have a lot of knots. But then what you can do is once all the knots are out, make sure you can run your fingers through your hair. Again, the finger combing or finger raking is going to keep everything looking very, very natural. So we're going to bring it to a point where you want to see the man bun, right? So once you have it into the ponytail like this, all right, let's do kind of a lower one, right? So we got it all pulled back into our hand. We're going to take the rubber band. We're going to lay it on top of the section like this, on top of the hair. We're going to lightly pull through. And then once again, we're going to bring that hair halfway through, and then we can fan it out. All right, we can fan out the hair to make it look like it's a little more like not such a perfect ponytail. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Right, it's a bit on the lower side like this. Again, these are just different ways that you can do it instead of just like what you may see. Here's the, then there's the half up, half down, which we just did, but this is another variation of it to where the hair is a bit on the higher side like this. So there's the elastic. We're going to pull the hair through. We're going to turn the ponytail through again. And now we're just going to hold on to that base, and then the end is out. The end of the hair, the ends right here, as you can see, are out of the ponytail. They're not inside it. So this is kind of like the half up, half down. You could even do a double if you want to, where that is up in the air in a ponytail or a man bun, and you take this down through here. I don't really see that too often, but it is an option, but it's usually just kind of more like half up, half down. Let's see what else we can do. Let's take the hair all into one like this. Then there's the kind of traditional right in the middle hair bun or man bun. You can wrap it around like that, and then you're putting some pins in it. Let's take a more traditional ponytail holder. All right, like this. So let's take the hair, we're going to twist it And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap the hair around in the knot. And then one more time, if we can, we're gonna pull that little loop through. So we've done like a variety of different knots like that. And here is like another example. I think this looks pretty cool. All right, so it's just really like almost twisting the hair and then putting it into the ponytail, right, or the bun. All right, so something a little more unique, right? And I'm trying to, I guess that's really pretty much it. I mean, it's all about being comfortable with however you want to wear your hair. Do you want your hair to be on top of your head? Do you want it to sit lower? You know, do you want it super, super tight? Do you want it very loose? That's where I think if you want it loose, you got to use a larger ponytail holder. If you want it really a lot more like on the tighter side, let's get really close into here. There it is. So if you're looking for them, in my description below is a link to my Amazon affiliate page where I've got like a bunch of clips and things that I use, and that's my affiliate page on Amazon. That's where I list stuff that I purchased through Amazon. So you can check that out. Let me know if you're still wearing a ponytail or a man bun, if you found this video helpful. This goes for men and women, anyone with long hair, doesn't matter. But if you want to put your hair up somehow, then this is, you know, these are a couple of different options. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.